Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best compression cubes is probably one of the most game-changing travel accessories you can own. They promise to maximize your luggage space and keep your belongings organized. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right ones? In this video, we'll dive into the world of compression cubes, exploring their benefits, and helping you find the perfect set to streamline your packing process and make your travels a breeze. Number 5. Tripped Travel Gear Compression Packing Cubes. Tired of overpacking? These compression packing cubes are designed to maximize space in your luggage. They help you organize your clothes efficiently, making travel a breeze. These cubes compress your clothes, saving valuable space in your suitcase or backpack. It's perfect for any trip, whether it's a weekend getaway or a long vacation. Keep your clothes neatly organized and easy to find. This set includes different sizes to accommodate various clothing items. It will make unpacking and repacking a lot easier. Made from high-quality materials, these packing cubes are built to last. They are also lightweight, so they won't add extra weight to your luggage. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, these packing cubes are a must-have. They are designed to simplify your packing experience and make your travels more enjoyable. What we like? This compression cube is built to last, thanks to its durable and water-resistant material. It also features reinforced seams and zippers, so you don't have to worry about rips or tears. If you're looking for a reliable packing solution for any adventure, this is the one for you. What people say. Keep everything in place in your suitcase and make packing much easier. They really do save a significant amount of space in the luggage once you zip the compression zipper. You put your stuff in, then squish it down, zip the first zipper then the second zipper. I actually laid my body across to get as much air out as I could. They worked perfectly and I could use a different bag for each clothing group, so I was not constantly looking for the right bag. Number 4. Tripped Travel Gear Compression Packing Cubes. Do you struggle to fit everything into your luggage? These compression packing cubes are the perfect solution. They help you organize your clothes and maximize space. These cubes are designed to keep your clothes neat and tidy. It separates your clean and dirty clothes. With the compression design, it helps you save space in your suitcase or backpack. It allows you to pack more efficiently. Made by Tripped Travel Gear, these cubes are built to last. They are also lightweight, so they won't add extra weight to your luggage. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or a long vacation, these packing cubes are a must-have. They make packing and unpacking a breeze. What we like? These cubes offer an expandable design, allowing you to adjust the space as needed. With multiple sizes, it helps you organize your belongings efficiently. If you're a traveler who likes to keep things tidy and organized, this is a great choice. What people say. Keep everything in place in your suitcase and make packing much easier. They really do save a significant amount of space in the luggage once you zip the compression zipper. I packed for a 10-day cruise in one carry-on and a backpack. They really do work. Do not get confused, these are not vacuum bags. You put your stuff in, then squish it down, zip the first zipper then the second zipper. Number 3. Gonex Compression Packing Cubes, Expandable Luggage Organizers. Are you struggling to fit everything into your luggage? These packing cubes are designed to solve that problem. They help you compress your clothes and maximize space. With these cubes, you can keep your belongings neatly organized. It's easy to separate your clothes, shoes, and accessories, making it simple to find what you need. Need more room? These cubes feature an expandable design. This allows you to adjust the size and fit more items when needed. Made from high-quality materials, these cubes are built to last. They are also lightweight, so they won't add extra weight to your luggage. Make your next trip easier and more efficient. These packing cubes are a must-have for any traveler who wants to stay organized and save space. What we like? This cube is designed with women in mind, combining style and functionality. It's also carry-on friendly, making it perfect for air travel. If you appreciate a travel essential that's both practical and chic, you'll love it. What people say. Zippers seem high quality. Use your thumb or finger between zipper panel and cube wall while compression zipping to avoid snags. What they do exceedingly well is compress along all four edges, which stops content sag, regular cubes aren't tight enough and my contents used to shift and sag to the cube bottom, defeating the use of cubes upright in my day packs. The different sizes allows you to be efficient in separating sizes of clothing. Help me to find what I need faster and the quality is excellent. It saves me time when packing and repacking my clothes. Number 2. Cambond Travel Compression Cubes for Women. Are you struggling to fit everything into your suitcase? These compression cubes are the perfect solution. They help you organize and maximize space, making travel a breeze. Keep your clothes neatly organized and easy to find. These travel essentials separate clean and dirty clothes. It's a simple way to stay organized on the go. The compression design helps you save valuable space in your luggage. It allows you to pack more without exceeding weight limits. You'll be amazed at how much you can fit. Made from high-quality materials, these cubes are built to last. They are also lightweight, so they won't add extra weight to your luggage. It's a smart choice for any traveler. Make your next trip stress-free with these packing cubes. They are a must-have for any traveler looking to stay organized. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This cube is ultra-light, saving you precious weight and space. It comes in sets, and even includes a clear toiletry bag. If you're looking to maximize space and minimize weight, especially for carry-on luggage, consider this. What people say. They help keep all my clothes neatly organized in my suitcase, and I was able to pack a ton without things shifting around. They've held up nicely over multiple uses, no tears or broken parts so far. They fit great inside. They helped me keep my clothes contained and sorted. It made my suitcase much neater inside. The bags held up well, no issue with zippers or tearing of any kind. They are ready for our next adventure. Number 1. Compression Packing Cube Set. These compression packing cubes are an essential accessory for any traveler. This set includes multiple sizes to fit all your needs, keeping your luggage organized. The double zipper compression system helps you save space. It removes excess air, making them incredibly compact and easy to pack. Made of water-resistant and breathable ripstop nylon, this product is lightweight but durable. It fully protects your clothes and gear on any adventure. These cubes feature reinforced seams and durable zippers. They are designed to withstand the rigors of travel, ensuring your belongings stay secure. Whether you're flying or cruising, these packing cubes are a must-have. They are perfect for any trip, from a weekend getaway to a long vacation. We pride ourselves on providing quality products. This product is designed to offer the most enjoyable experience during your travels. What we like. This cube features a double zipper compression system that vacuums the excess air from the cubes and makes them incredibly compact. It helps you save space and time while packing. If you are flying overseas with your kids to Europe or just cruising around Alaska, you should consider this. What people say. I've been using them for years and my first set is in great shape. The zippers hold up and they keep my luggage organized. Because they compress, I can pack more easily and take a few extra items. 7 days in Greece with a carry-on and everything fit on the way there and back with actual room. These are great for packing a lot of clothes for a trip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.